Alegra Technology Limited is an air purifier filter manufacturer with a registered capital of 10 million yuan. Alegra's technical team of high-end scientific research technology and production equipment are in the front end of the industry. Main air purification filter series products of the company, covering particulate matter PM2.5, 0.3 microns filtration purification, odor, toxic and harmful gases VOC, ozone formaldehyde toluene cigarettes filter purification, antibacterial mold-proof, anti-virus health protection products. Alegra has a number of fully automated production lines, including automatic high-speed splaying, discount, gluing, cutting, automatic edging, automatic dispensing, etc. Please feel free to contact us. We will provide you with personalized customization services and provide advice and guidance.